In today's video, I'll show you how to undo an action in Descript so you can quickly fix mistakes and edit with confidence. If you're using Descript on a Windows computer, undoing an action is simple. Just press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard. This instantly reverses your most recent change. For Mac users, the process is just as easy. Press Command and Z to undo the last action. This shortcut works the same way and is consistent with most Mac applications. These keyboard shortcuts are the fastest way to undo edits and help you stay focused without breaking your workflow. If you prefer using menus instead of shortcuts, you can also undo actions through the Edit menu. Look at the top menu bar, click Edit, and then select Undo. The most recent change will be reversed immediately. Both methods work the same way, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable while editing. That's it. You now know how to undo actions in Descript, making it easy to experiment, correct mistakes, and edit without stress. Thanks for watching and happy editing.